welcome to my channel. Today's video is a short video showing the rescue of two birds. Both came to me on Sunday and both were in a very small and dirty cage. I quickly organized a larger cage, but I still felt it was too small. So I decided to leave the birds in good hands. Until they were brought to their new home, I had the birds in a bathroom so that they could fly and I didn't lock up any animals. On Monday, I found a good home for both of them. In the evening, I gave both birds to my neighbor. I am sure they will be happy in their new home. By the way, I just found out my dog loves also bird food. He's just so amazing. I like the view of having two birds in a bathroom, but real talk, they just pooped everywhere. Everywhere. As you can hear, they are very loud, but so cute. I just wanted to help these two animals, and I am happy that I was able to. You will see their new home in a picture. See you next time!